Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some English country style cottage decoration ideas. Let's take a look. English country style cottage decor is all about creating a warm, inviting and charming home filled with vintage charm, floral patterns and rustic elements. Here are some key decorating ideas. Cozy and inviting furniture. Opt for comfortable, overstuffed sofas and armchairs with floral or plaid fabrics. Use antique or distressed wood furniture for a timeless, lived-in feel. Incorporate skirts on sofas and chairs for a traditional touch. Soft, warm color palette. Stick to soft pastels, muted neutrals, and earthy tones like cream, shades green, dusty pink, and soft blue. Floral wallpaper and painted paneling adds a cozy cottage feel. Vintage and rustic touches. Use exposed wooden beams or rustic wood accents for an aged look. Add wicker baskets, aged brass or copper accessories, and vintage ceramic pieces for authenticity. Layered textiles, floral, gingham, or tile curtains bring a classic country-style feel. Use handmade crochet or lace toys on tables. Layer wool, knit, or crochet blankets on sofas and beds for warmth. Country-style kitchen, open shelving displaying vintage china, teapots, and copper pots. Vodka block countertops and a farmhouse sink for rustic charm. A large wooden dining table with a mix of wooden or painted chairs. Cottage curtain charm indoors. Display fresh flowers in vintage vases or pictures. Roses, peonies, or lavender work beautifully. Use potted herbs like rosemary, thyme, and basil on windowsills. Floral prints on cushions, tablecloths, or wallpaper enhance the countryside feel. Charming accessories, ironstone pottery, antique books, and delicate tea sets make beautiful decorative pieces. Here are some English English country style cottage decor ideas for specific rooms. Living room, seating, a plush floral or gingham upholstered sofa with a mix of crochet and embroidered pillows. Coffee table, a vintage wooden table with a lace table runner and a ceramic vase filled with fresh garden flowers. Fireplace, if you have one, decorate with mantle with antique candlesticks, a gilt mirror, or a small potted plants. Lighting, soft glow table lamps with fabric shades or wall sconces for a cozy ambience. Kitchen, cabinetry, classic cream or shea screen cabinets with edged brush handles. Countertops, butcher block or marble with a few vintage canisters and ceramic bowls. Shelving, open wooden shelves displaying blue and white china, copper pots and teapots. Dining area, a rustic wooden table with floral tablecloths and mismatched wooden chairs. Bedroom, bed frame, a wood iron or painted wooden bed with a floral quilt or crocheted bedspread. Nightstands, vintage wooden or distressed paint nightstands with lace trellis and brushed lamps. Decor, hanging botanical prints or framed vintage artwork above the bed. Curtains, light and airy floral or tall curtains for romantic touch. Bathroom, sink area, a pedestal sink with antique style brush or bronze buckets. Storage, wicker baskets for storage and an open shelf displaying rolled up floral towels and scented soaps. Tub, if possible, a freestanding clawfoot tub with a wooden bath tray. Mirror, an ornate vintage style mirror for a touch of elegance. Entryway, console table, a distressed wooden table with a floral runner, antique books and a ceramic jug with fresh flowers. Coat hooks, old iron or brush hooks for coats and straw hats. Bench, a cozy cushioned bench with a gingham throw pillow. Here are some great places to find English country style cottage decor pages. Online stores, Stay. handmade crochet blankets, vintage linens, floral pillows, and antique home accessories. Wayfair, classic floral curtains, gingham upholstered furniture, and country-style lighting. eBay, authentic vintage china, antique furniture, and rustic decor pieces. Home and furniture shops, pottery barn, rustic wooden furniture, vintage rugs, and farmhouse kitchenware. Hobby Lobby, shabby chic decor, distressed wooden frames, and ceramic vases. Antique and thrift stores, check local antique shops and flower markets for vintage china, gilded mirrors, distressed furniture, and less toiles. Thrift stores often have old brass candlesticks, wicker baskets, and floral tableware at budget-friendly prices. Thanks for watching the video.